Greetings of the day to all my lovely kids. Children, welcome to the Computer Club. In today's class, we are going to learn about keyboard special keys. But before that, let's take a quick recap of what we have done in our previous class. We have learned about keyboard. It is an input device used to type words, numbers, and special symbols. It is also used to give instructions to the computer. It has small buttons known as keys. We divide them in three groups: alphabet keys, number keys, and special keys. Alphabet keys. They are used to type alphabets. There are 26 alphabet keys ranging from A to Z. They are used to type textual data like letters, reports, creative writings, question papers, etc. Number keys are used to type digits or numbers. There are 10 number keys ranging from 0 to 9. They are placed at two places on keyboard, at left side above the alphabet keys and at right side on the number pad. They are used to type numeric data like date, age, address, counting, etc. Special keys, as name is saying, they are special. They are produced to perform special functions and type special symbols, as you can see on the screen. Let's learn them, each of them one by one. I'm starting with spacebar key. Spacebar, as you can see on the screen, labeled with yellow. It is used to give blank space between two words, letters or numbers. There are only one spacebar on a keyboard. It is the longest key on the keyboard, as you can see. Above text is typed without spacebar and below one is typed with spacebar key. You can see the difference. Below one is more clear by adding in blank spaces between two words. That's why we use spacebar key. Enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line and to do special function also. It is known as return key. There are two enter keys on the keyboard, as you can see on the screen. Above one was typed without enter key and below one is typed with enter key. You can see we have typed it and into two lines. So to bring to next line we use enter key. Next one is caps lock key. It is used to type capital letters when it is on and small letters when it is off. You can see it is present at the left side of the keyboard. When you switch on, your light will be switched on. Upper one line is typed without caps lock and below line is typed using caps lock key. It is in capital letters or uppercase. Shift key. There are two shift keys on a keyboard, as you can see on the screen. It is used to type symbols, capital letters, when it is used in combination with other keys. Symbols like you can see on the screen: @ dollar sign, percentage sign, exclamatory sign, brackets, question mark, etc. Above line is typed using shift key without, and below one is typed using shift key. C, W and M are letters which are typed by pressing shift key. They are in capital letters. Backspace key is used to erase the letters to the left of the cursor. It is marked with back arrow. Delete key is also used to erase letters but from the right hand side of the cursor. You can see it is at the right side on the keyboard, marked with yellow. Let's learn how to type symbols. Children, we type symbols like you can see on the screen by pressing shift key. These Alt and Ctrl keys are used in combination with other keys to perform many useful functions. These are used in combination of two or more keys on the keyboard. That's all for today. Goodbye. Take care.